Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have a little bit of a different video today. I say a little bit different because it's kind of not, but it is. So you guys know how obsessed I am with subscription services. I can't lie. So I have a different one today. It's not clothing. I know, big shocker. It's NatureBox. I ripped off my address, so can't stalk me. So NatureBox is healthy snacks, and I have tried NatureBox before and I really liked it. So I thought I would give it another shot and share it with you guys. I also think that I'm gonna try each of the snacks in this video and give some feedback just to make it a little more interesting. So let's get into the box. So this is what is in my box. I have 5 bags of snacks. I think they're resealable. Yes, they are. So that will be good because I'm opening all of them. Okay, the first thing I got was mini Belgian waffles. How great do those sound? I always love a little like sweet something. So, serving size is 6 waffles and that's 140 calories. 2 grams of protein, 9 grams of sugar. Ooh, that's a little high, but let's see how they taste. Oh my gosh, they are literally mini waffles. That is so cute. Pardon the chipped nails. It tastes like a waffle, but it's kind of crunchy like a cookie. I can get down with those. They're pretty good. They remind me of something. I can't put my finger on it. Maybe they just remind me of waffles. No. I don't know. These are good. Next is whole wheat raspberry figgy bars. These look like Nutri-Grain bars, I think. Whew. That has a lot more sugar in it. These have 13 grams of sugar and 2 grams of protein. But I wonder like what kind of sugar it is. It's got dried cane syrup, brown rice syrup. Yeah, so that's probably where like the sugar is. It's probably from the fruit and stuff. I wish these had like more protein in them though. Anyways. Okay, so these are like individually wrapped. I'm just gonna take a bite and I'll let you know. I can't open it. Oh. Oh, smell good. They're not as like soft as Nutri-Grain bars, but they're pretty good. And it does taste more like natural sugars and not like really sweet sugars, so. Whoops. Bite number 2. Next is honey Dijon pretzels. Honey mustard flavor pretzel bites. I love honey mustard pretzels. 1 gram of sugar, 3 grams of protein. I like that. So excited. This is what they look like. Look at all of that seasoning. These are my fave. Those are good. Woo. Gotta get a drink. Cheers. Next is Big Island Pineapple dried pineapple rings. I can't remember if I've ordered these before. 13 grams of sugar, 1 gram of protein. But, I mean, all of that sugar is from the pineapple, so it's good sugar, right? This reminds me of the Trader Joe's, like, dried mangoes. Okay, this is the dried pineapple. Here we go. Yes. It's like fruit snacks, but better. These are my jam. Okay. I don't need to eat this whole thing. Back in the bag. Won't be sharing these. Last but not least is the Dark Cocoa Nom Noms Mini Cocoa Oat Cookies. I love chocolate. 2 grams of fiber, 8 grams of sugar, 3 grams of protein. Okay, here we go. Testing it out. Holy cow, these smell so good. Come here, you little nugget. Okay, so it looks like this. The dogs are chasing each other outside and it's so cute. Okay. These are good. They're not my favorite. Well, they are pretty good. I feel like this would be a good, like, alternative because I always want something like sweet to finish off my meal. And this would be better than like a big old dessert. Bottoms up. Okay, so now that I've tried everything, I think I'm going to rank them of my favorite to least favorite, just for fun. So, my T1, that's top one, like number 1, my top 5. Honey Dijon pretzels, T1, for show. My T2, Big Island pineapple. These are so good, so chewy. Ooh, so good. Number 3, I don't know. Ooh. I think my number 3 is tied. The Dark Cocoa Nom Noms and the Belgian Waffles. Those are tied for number 3. And then last, which is like maybe the healthiest, which is the whole wheat raspberry figgy bars. It's not that I like don't like these, they just weren't my favorite. So that's everything that was in my nature box. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit different type of subscription box unboxing. Not try on, but try. I don't know, trying out the healthy snacks. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and leave some comments what other videos you would like to see from me. I want to collab with you guys, my viewers, my people. Word. I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!